Hello and welcome to Puzzle Masters product review. Today we will be taking a closer look at Galette puzzle. This puzzle was designed by Asanori Yamamoto and made by Pelikan in Czech Republic with absolutely fantastic quality. Galette puzzle is made in a combination of either cherry and Wenge, what you can see on my table right now, or cherry and purple heart. It has a difficulty level 8 out of 10 on a Puzzle Masters difficulty scale that runs from 5 to 10, and the object of the puzzle is to put all 5 parts inside the frame in such a way that the openings will be covered and no parts will be sticking out. This puzzle is something new, since usually we see different types of puzzles from Asanori Yamamoto. Usually he creates something like this, the cube shape that is 3 by 3 by 3, but this puzzle is different. As you can see, the size of it is 4 by 5 and there is extra piece that is right here on the side. So it is 21 voxels and there are 2 openings. The bigger one has the size of 3 by 2 and the small one is just 1 by 1. So we can use both openings to put the parts inside the frame. And as you can see, there are 5 parts. They are all looks like pieces from Tetris game. And on the one hand, it looks like it is pretty easy to make a shape that can fit inside the frame, but it's going to be quite more challenging than you expect, since after putting the 5 parts together, you have to put them inside the frame, and that's going to be quite a challenging task. As always, Asanori Yamamoto puzzles comes unsolved, so first you will have to figure out how to put all parts inside, and then to complete the puzzle you have to remove them from the frame. If you like Galette puzzle and you want to buy it, go to puzzlemaster.ca. See you next time!